This year we had AI workshops from our partner Microsoft, and it's very important because it's something that's now in our society, and it's a nice opportunity for us that the students will learn how to use it responsibly.
And so we see a massive explosion of AI usage. AI is everywhere. It's changing the way that we work, it's changing the way we communicate, the way we live, but also the way that we educate and the way we study. Now amongst students we see a very high explosion of AI usage. With Soapbox and with universities, we're in the heart of the audience. And that's where we actually wanted to be as Microsoft, to help students get educated on AI, how to use it in an effective and efficient way for their studies, get them ready for future work, but also make sure that they understand how to apply it in a responsible manner and understand ethical constraints and considerations when they use it.
Of course, we are really proud of this collaboration with Microsoft. We think it's very important that students improve their AI skills and that they really understand how actually AI works, because they use it every day, they use it for the startup, but they should do it in a way that's responsible. And therefore we are really happy that we have Microsoft as a partner in all our university challenges.